Hi everyone, I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make this Christmas pouch. You can use any granny you like, and the wreath motif tutorial is in my next video. And I show you how join the squares together and this reverse single crochet stitch, and I'll show you how to make these back straps. And please do subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell that you can get notified of my new posts. And I also show you how to make these tiny pom-poms. They are so cute. You can put your things or Christmas gifts inside it and give it to your family or your friends. Let's make it together. Choose your granny motifs for this bag and take it, and for joining the squares together, put them back to back and join them by a slip stitch into the back loop of each side. Make a knot on the hook and insert the hook in the second chain of that chain two spaces we made in corner of the square, and bring the yarn out from there, and then again insert the hook inside the second chain of the next square and bring the yarn out from there. Now insert the hook into the back loop from the right square and then into the back loop from the left square, and bring the yarn out from 3 loops on the hook we have. Again, insert the hook from the back loop from the both square and bring the yarn out from there. Do it in the 3 sides of the both square until the end of the 3rd side of the back. You can use any pattern or diagram for the joining the square you like. In the corner, like the another stitches, do it same. Make a slip stitch to the both sides in the back loop. Do it until the end of the 3rd side of the square. Here to here. Here is the last corner of the 3rd side. I received it, and when you receive the end of the row, make 3 chain as 1 double crochet and leave 1 chain behind. Make 1 double crochet in the each next 2 stitches, then make 2 chain, leave 2 stitch behind, then again make 1 double crochet in the each 2 next stitches. Again make 2 chain and leave 2 stitches behind. Do it until the end of the row. In the other side, make 1 double crochet into the chain space, make 2 chain and 1 double crochet in the corner and leave 1 chain behind and make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and again make 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 2 stitches behind until the end. Join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain, and now make 1 double crochet in the each stitches, 2 double crochet in the 2 chain spaces and 1 double crochet on the each double crochet. Make 2 rounds like this into the end of the 2nd row. Cut the yarn and fasten off with the needle. Move on between the stitches. Don't push too hard the needle and then cut the yarn. Here is our pouch. Now we must make reverse stitches. For the decoration, the top of the edge of the pouch, I use the reverse single crochet. You can use any extra yarn you have. Put the yarn inside any stitch you like and bring the yarn from it out, and then put the hook in previous stitch and bring the yarn from it and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Again, make a single crochet in the previous stitch. Look, inside the hook into the previous stitch, bring the yarn out and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Do it until the end of the row. This is a reverse single crochet that we use for the decoration, the top edge of the crafts we make. Cut the yarn in the end of the row and fasten off with the needle. Insert the needle into the first stitch and then hide it between the stitches. And now for the back strap, we must make a slip knot, the hook and the 100 chain. Make 2 of these back strap and cut the yarn a little longer for the knot, and after that we make the back straps. We must pass the straps through the 2 chain spaces that we make. Pass them by the needle between the stitches and all around the top of the bag we must pass it. For another one, from the other side, we will start and again we must pass out the strap from that side. Look, and then we must make a knot by the two sides of the strap and the other one. Don't cut the tail of the yarn. We need them for the sewing it to the tiny pom-poms that we will make it. Now for the pom-pom. Here is the how to close or open the bag with this strap. Now we must make pom-poms. For these tiny pom-poms, you can use a pom-pom maker or a fork. Yes, a fork. Insert the yarn in the middle of the fork slots and then wrap the yarn around the fork as many you want. The more you wrap, the pom-pom will be thick. After that, cut the yarn more longer with a needle, move in the middle of the fork slide and make a knot, and here like this, insert the needle in middle of the yarns and the fork and then make a knot and pull it as hard as you can. Do it for the other side. Pull it as hard as you can and make a knot. Pull it hard and take it out from the fork and again pull it. And now you can cut the yarn loops from the middle, and after that you cut the yarns loop into the two sides. You must shake it that to the open up the yarns. Then the edge of the yarn must cut by the scissors and trim it. That eventually a round ball will form. As you can see, our little ball formed. Now sealing it with a needle to the end of the straps. Join it with the needle and then make a knot, and after that you make a 3 knots. You must hide the tail of the yarn, cut it, and now hide the tail of the back strap between the stitches. And then after that, cut it and do it for the other tail of the yarn. Hide it and cut it. Here is our little pom-pom. Make another pom-pom for the other strap. Here is my Christmas wreath drawstring pouch. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like it, please let me know in a comment below. And if you would like to subscribe, that would be helpful. And please hit the notification bell so you never miss a crochet tutorial from me. I'll show you how to make this granny square in the next video. You can find the tutorials of all of my grannies by click the links that I placed for you on the screen. Happy crocheting! Merry Christmas, guys! See you! Love you all! Bye!